Now this is our busting strength tester machine. So first we elaborate this indicator key and this key. This key is basically used at the time of calibration and at the time of internally parameter you have changed. So first, normal and peak key. You always test specimen indicator should be peak key. Peak key, that means it stop reading is a maximum busting strength of the sample. This one is a fixed range, you don't change this range. This range is a machine range. That means you have check your sample is maximum 40 kg strength. After that, normal kick, when you press normal and you place your sample like that, I show you. So this, suppose that this is our sample, we just place it and clamp down now on the machine. Now the load is coming, but reading is not be stopped, so you don't be find key what is the strength of busting this sample. That is why you check your sample always in the peak mode. Peak mode is a green light is coming. After that you have placed the sample and rotate wise clock and press push key. Now the sample is break. Look at this. Sample is break. Now reading is hold 12.6 and the sound beep sound is coming. When the beep sound is coming, then you have automatically remove your hand for this one. After that press reset key. Reset key is remove the reading. After you have remove and check it. Read peak. Read peak is basically hold 9 reading. PF1, PF2, PF3, PF4, 5, 6, 7. That means internal memory you have 9 value you have checked in the previous. Tear. Tear key is basically used when your sample is done for testing, then you have press tear and reset, because tear is basically used for remove any reading is any fluctuation is coming. So you just press tear key and then press reset. After you check your second sample, place here like that and now press push button is continuously. Sound is coming and then remove your hand. Now reading is hold 12.5. After stop the machine, then press reset key. Okay, so this is a busting strength tester. Now I elaborate this key how we can use. This one is a lock and unlock key. Unlock key, when suppose that your sample strength in 10 kg to below 10 kg below, so you have changed its internal parameter, press scale key. This is a low reading, never change. High reading, never change. Capacity you have checked low and high. So low capacity is used when your busting strength is 10 kg to below, then you have select low. If your capacity is 10 kg to above sample, then you have select high. After that you just lock the key and place the sample like that, because our this sample is strength is 12 kg, so we are selected capacity is high. High capacity is used when above the 10 kg of the strength of the sample. We just put 12.9. Now sample is break, sound is coming and the motor is running. Press reset. When you check your previous data for these two sample, press read peak, it's coming 16.4, 13.10, this one. Press reset, then automatically reset all the data, then come to main screen. So that is a procedure. So main you have note first, before test your sample, first machine is peak mode, lock and there is no reading. If any fluctuation, any reading is coming, so press steer and reset. After you have checked what is your sample strength, suppose that your sample strength is below 10 kgf, so you have first unlock this machine, press cal key, capacity is coming, so low, you have select low, press cal key, it's coming main scale, then lock. If your bursting strength to be above 10 kg, so you unlock this key, press cal one time, again one time, again one time, high, so you have select high, then coming lock and then place the sample. So that is a procedure to be bursting strength tester machine running. Thank you.